Good morning, students. We'll continue with chapter number 1 Things to Know. Year of Establishment of Patan. According to the text, Dharmaran, Patan was established in 802 Vikram Samvat 746 century. According to the handwritten memorial Rajvanshwali list of descendants, chronically Patan was established in 802 Vikram Samvat, that is 746 century. Even today, the year of establishment engraved on the Ganpati idol at Ganpati Pole is 802 Vikram Samvat 746 century. Just you have to know these things, and now here is the activity. We'll see what is it. Activity is make a list of cities, villages whose original names have been altered to form new names in current time, and you have to gather the information about them. So I'll be giving you this activity for homework you have completed in your fair notebook. Anil Vara Patan had not only dynamic kings and the academians, but the queens were also equally dynamic. जो अनिल वारा पाटन है वहाँ पे जो किंग्स हैं वो सिर्फ ओनली द किंग्स वही नहीं डायनामिक थे, बट जो वहाँ की क्वींस थी दे वर ऑल्सो इक्वली डायनामिक. इन फैक्ट Queen Udayamati built a stepwell for the welfare of her subjects. That is, in fact, this Queen Udayamati, she has built a stepwell for the well-being and welfare of the people of her area. This stepwell is known as Rani Ki Va. This step is also known as Rani Ki Va. Students, you will be having question on it, so remember it well. This stepwell, consisting of 7 levels, is an unparalleled example of art and architecture. This stepwell is consisting of 7 levels. That is, in that there are 7 levels, and which are unparalleled example of the art and the architecture. And the beautifully carved stones idol tell us of the glory and the prosperity of the सोलंकी एरिया. सो वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट जो ये इसका वेल का जो कंस्ट्रक्शन था इट वॉज ब्यूटिफुली done with the carved stone idols, and it is telling us about the glory and prosperity of that Solanki period. Now, Queen Minnal Devi, King Siddharaj Jaisingh's mother, was much concerned about the welfare of the subjects and waived the pilgrim tax. On this also, students, you are having questions, so remember it well. जो क्वीन मिन्नल देवी थी, किंग सिद्धराज जयसिंह की मदर, उन्होंने भी लोगों के वेलफेयर के लिए काफ़ी सारे काम किए थे. इवन शी हैज़ वेव्ड, मतलब उन्होंने उनका जो पिलग्रिम टैक्स वो पे करते थे वो माफ़ कर दिया. The Malwa Lake at Dolka and the Mansar Lake at Virangam were constructed on her instruction. उन्होंने अपनी इंस्ट्रक्शन से ये जो लेक्स है कंस्ट्रक्ट करवाए थे उनके पीरियड में. The Shastraling Lake of Patan was constructed during the reign of King Siddharaj Jaisingh. जो शास्त्रलिंग लैक है पाटन का वो कंस्ट्रक्ट किया गया था व्हेन द किंग सिद्धराज जयसिंह रूलिंग एट दैट टाइम. नाउ हियर इज वन कॉलम. विल सी थिंक इन द ओल्डन डेज पीपल कंस्ट्रक्ट स्टैप वेल्स, पॉन्ड वेल्स, but nowadays dams are constructed, you know well, right? So why is it so? क्यों construction of dams start हुआ? We just have to think it on it. Thank you students. We'll continue in the next class.